Hola, buenos dias.
Another greetings are available.
Willkommen, guten Tag, guten Abend.
I did know some Swedish and I've forgotten it. Anyway, so forget all that. Look, Aoocci C3. We're doing a lot of these recently.
We are, and we're kind of, it's one of those love-hate relationships we've got, isn't it? Because companies keep saying, would you look at this new thing for this new feature? And of course we will. But it gets a bit repetitive, doesn't it? Talking about the same function over the actual device itself. But,
so we're going to have to sort of work around that.
But I suppose one good thing is we're showing people that there is something for everybody at whatever price point that they want, because everything we've done has been a scale from really quite cheap to really quite expensive. So,
and that's a good thing, because not everybody's got the amount of disposable cash to spend stuff on things like this, you know, so it's a good thing, isn't it?
Yeah.
Although there's loads of them and they all do the same thing, so we're not going to go through, you know, endless like screen this, screen that, set this, set that. We're just going to show you what this is. This is the Aoocci C3, waterproof. Fitted it to my bike, been out riding with it. It does the same as other.
Well, the one above it, the carpy ride that we're still testing.
The ride is above, because we're looking at that as well. But
and the rider nav over there, and
God, there's loads of them. So yeah, thanks for sending this to us. We really like them, and it's good that we can show that is a massive choice.
Yeah, and this one's got, I wouldn't say something up its sleeve. This one is different to a lot of them. This one isn't just designed for BMW bikes, because in the comments we've had a few people saying, well, what about people without BMWs? And like, well, there are options.
All you need for this one is a USB port.
Yeah, and it comes with Allen keys, and it comes with the connection to the battery. It comes with a separate connector that you can go into the USB. So there's quite a lot of functionality to it.
There is. For you know, something we're saying is basic. It's not basic at all. But well, let's get into it, shall we? It is the Aoocci C3 series. It's waterproof. Tells you on the thing here. 5-inch touchscreen, compatible with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. The resolution is 854 by 480 IPS, full viewing angle, whatever all that means, and it's waterproof to IP67.
Well, I think the full viewing angle is if you were this side, you could still see it. Same in front, that sort of thing.
Yeah.
Because on a lot of screens, you when you go from the side, you kind of miss it, don't you?
Yeah. So typically on a bike, you're going to be looking at it.
Yeah. So we've got it mounted on the handlebars, on the mount that comes with it. We're not going to show you the mount. It's really simple.
It's just a basic mount that clips to your handlebars. Basic. Switching it on. And it should come on. Here we go.
Oh, look RiderCamTV tours. Thanks, Aoocci. They put that on there for us.
We'll cover that up. So, isn't that a nice screen?
It is a nice screen, actually, and you can see what they mean by the IPS from viewing wide angle. So when you go from side to side, you can still see everything on it.
Yep.
And if I zoom right in, the clarity of that screen's really quite nice as well, isn't it?
It's really good, actually.
I like their idea of the different view.
Yep.
Don't you?
I do.
I quite like that.
Look at that, RiderCamTV tours.
RiderCamTV tours. Incidentally, there's only one space left on the Spain and Portugal tour for 2026. So if you're interested...
When's that going? In September?
September the 6th.
I'll take my glass off and I can see you.
September the 6th, 2026. Spain and Portugal Extreme Adventure.
Yep. Right, so...
Less of the extreme, though.
It is. Here we go. So we've got CarPlay, Android Auto. I mean, that's really basic, isn't it? There's none of this faff, you know, all the rest of the stuff we have on other ones. So we're going to press CarPlay. That moved then. Sorry about that. I'm going to look at my phone. There it is. C3 Plus.
It's connecting.
It's doing something. And it's giving me a code.
Yeah.
So pair.
It's strange that it's not come up, but it's doing it. So
yeah.
Allow,
might as well. Sometimes if they're too close, they don't work.
Yeah.
Let's just pull it away a little bit.
And there we are.
There we are.
Right, let's cover that one and we'll press that one and get on to some sort of other app. There we go, so we don't see the location.
Right, so basically we've got the same as any other CarPlay screen we would have.
Yeah. And all the apps. See, strangely enough, these have this strange little thing here for you to be able to go back to your home and do your brightness and stuff. Personally, I'm not a fan of that being sat there. It just looks too busy and it's in the way. So
yeah, but
yeah.
What more can you say?
Shall we act? I mean, you can see how responsive it is. Let's go back to home, which is their version of their home.
Yeah.
So you can set your brightness. You can change your brightness all the way down and all the way up. It's wobbling because we've had to relocate it, but
yeah.
You can do your Android Auto in the same way, and then you've got your settings.
But yeah.
And then you've got your, what's your auxiliary button? What's that do? Close or open? I don't know. Don't know what that means. Screensaver, your tyre pressure switch, tyre pressure reset.
Which is on that home screen as you saw it there before.
Because you can get the tyre pressure monitoring things to put onto the valves of your bike to do on this one. This one doesn't take the BMW stuff.
Which are here.
Which have worked really well, haven't they?
They have been really good, actually. And you had them on one of yours, didn't you? Worked well. Was that?
Yeah.
Or was it a different company, wasn't it?
Yeah, they do work really well.
But there you go. They basically just screw onto your valve.
And they talk to this unit, which is really cool. And then you've got your language that you can set, clear connection history, your cell phone noise. What does that mean?
Wow.
Oh, you can turn noise off, close and open it for some reason. Enabling or disabling this function will automatically disconnect and reconnect. Please confirm if you want to.
But it was on.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh, well.
Oh. Touch sound effect. I hate that when you beeps when you touch the screen.
Yeah.
Ugh.
So that's all you've got there on their screen. Oh, here we are. Screensaver, you can turn it off or you can have it on and then we can go back to the main screen. So it is, for all intents and purposes, an Android Auto Apple CarPlay mirroring device, but it's really quite a simple device. There's not an awful lot of settings to do, whereas some of the others like the Chiggies, you've got the app, you've got the cameras, you've got this, you've got that.
I'm just going over here to get my Chiggy so you can... This is the Chiggy AIO5. It's just as a comparison to see what size it is. It's exactly the same size screen. It's not very well good, that is it? Same sort of size screen.
Yeah, I mean this one has got big bezels. I think to make it look a little bit moderner, if that's the word.
More modern, I think, is the proper term.
They could make the bezels look a little bit, or they could have made them a little bit smaller, perhaps the screen a bit bigger. And in terms of the unit, it's not a thick unit. It's a nice little unit. And I can't remember the price of this one, but we'll put the links in the description. And there's a fantastic discount code if you were to buy this one.
Right, so this is fitted to the handlebars. We jury rigged it so we could, after we've been out for a ride on it, but it will, using in the box settings, you've got different size clamps that would fit onto that bar there, but I mean, it works perfectly there, doesn't it? Some people like it there. I like to look up at a screen. It doesn't move.
Yeah, the only thing I would say, and we fed it back to Aooci, is that their packaging, with regards to other companies, isn't the greatest. So you get that on a plastic tray on top of all of that, but they've gone to the lengths of making the box look really, really good. So if I show you this box here, they've made the graphics really, really good. But when you open it up, yes, you've got the unit, but it's not like the Chiggy or the RiderNav or the Innov, that sort of thing, where it's actually in foam and things and it's nice and neat and tidy. It is just these really cheap plastic bags, which is, I think is the only downside to some of Aooci's things.
Yeah, and the other thing we did notice, we haven't showed you because it was too much of a faff, to actually connect it to the bike, to the handlebar, involved two different size Allen keys they provided and a spanner, which is a bit of a faff, wasn't it? Do you know what I mean? So,
but I'm guessing that for a security point of view, if you've got an Allen key, it's not going to fit all of them.
No.
So that, there is a plus for
But it does come with tie wraps. There's a little screwdriver in there for putting the SD card in, I think what it's for.
Yeah.
So they've got it's all there. It's a basic system. And for that you know, we can't really complain.
No. And you've got to remember that with all these units, whether they're the really expensive ones or whether they're the cheaper end of the market, they will all work in the same way. Some of them might be a little bit slower. This might be a little bit slower than the other ones in going from app to app, but they will always follow you because it's taking your phone stuff. But you've got to remember, there's people in the comments are saying, will this app work? Will that app work? If it works with CarPlay, if it works with Android Auto, it will work on here. That's the developers of the apps making them compatible.
And it
with
will
these.
use data if you're not using maps offline, if you're using it for navigation.
Yeah, because this doesn't have, none of these have got their own.
It's just a thing.
Yeah, none of these have got their own sat nav app. It's mirroring your phone. So when we're away on tour, we get people that use these sort of things, and that's great.
Yeah.
But you need to be able to have some sort of battery backup to charge your phone, because by the end of the day, your phone could be on 30, 20%, depending on your
Drain
battery,
it quite quickly.
because it does drain it.
On mine, I connected to the quad lock power thing here, which if you do buy that, make sure you have the vibration module on it.
Yeah.
Otherwise, on an iPhone, it'll definitely screw your camera up. But it works great.
Yeah.
You know,
and I suppose with the charging thing, you've got to make sure that it's charging at a rate that is more than what you're expelling, if that more than you're using. So it's topping up rather than trying to keep it somewhere and you're actually getting flatter and flatter.
Yeah. So on this, we've wired it into the USB connector that's inside the little box here.
Yeah.
And it works really well. You can get a double one to fit in there. I know that there are companies that will do USB connectors that fit up here somewhere. So it works out excellent. Really nice little bit of kit.
Yeah.
And it's, you know, horses for courses, isn't it?
Yeah. But it's another option in the arsenal of options for you if you want to get CarPlay or Apple CarPlay or Android.
I like that.
Yeah.
Well, you just pull it out the bag then, like that.
Yeah.
An arsenal of options.
Because I think people get tied up with I've got to get the best of the best. These are all really good.
It's doing what you phone. If you've got
It
an old
does
phone,
what it
doesn't
needs
work
to do.
really slowly, it'll be really slow.
Yeah.
But if you've got a nice big phone, new phone, then it'll work great.
I mean, there's no bells or whistles. There's no cameras on it. There's no connecting your action cameras to turn them on, off and on like others. There's no extras, but you're buying a screen with the ability to monitor your tyre pressures if you want it.
Yeah.
All for a great price.
Yeah.
So there you go.
Brilliant. So,
Thanks, Aoocci.
thanks, Aoocci. Another one of our little short videos, but subscribe, the alert button and all that kind of stuff, and we'll see you in the next one.